Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's make dinner. Alright, today I'm cooking butterfly chicken legs. So what I need to do is I need to preheat my oven, and then I'm going to butterfly these chicken legs. So what it means is I'm going to just cut my chicken wings like that and make a butterfly. Like this, guys. Butterfly. Yeah. So after butterflying my chicken legs, I'm going to season the legs very well. Guys, this is done. Now it's time for seasoning. Guys, I'm going to put my chicken in a large bowl. Just put the chicken in there. Now I'm going to build up my flavors. Alright guys, I'm going to season my chicken. I'm going to add olive oil. Just olive oil, black pepper, a tablespoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. And I'm going to add onion powder, a tablespoon. Adding paprika, a tablespoon of paprika. I'm just going to add some mixed herbs, about a teaspoon mixed herbs. And then garlic powder. Tablespoon of garlic powder. Just some extra flavors. I'm going to add chicken stock, powdered chicken stock, just because I got it in the house. I'm going to add that. You don't need to add it if you don't have that, but I think I've got enough spices now. I'm going to mix this through and marinate for about 30 minutes. Alright guys, before I forget, I'm going to add some salt, a teaspoon of salt, probably a teaspoon and a half of salt, and then mix this through. Alright, this is how my butterfly chicken looks, and I'm going to marinate for 30 minutes in the fridge, and I'll come back and show you how the next stage. Thank you. Alright guys, I've got an oven tray and I've put the baking paper just make sure this sticks. So I'm going to add my chicken now. Alright, so guys, this is my chicken and putting it in the oven 200 degrees for about 40 to 50 minutes, and then I'll see how this looks. So guys, in the oven here, 200 degrees for about 40 to 50 minutes, and then I'll check them and see how they look.